So Jollibee's stock dropped to 170 pesos per share. What is the chart telling us? What are the next support levels and what's the nearest resistance that it could possibly touch? But as the market as a whole now, if you look at everything that's happening, all of the major stocks are all bearish. So where are the next support levels for the stock? Everything you need to know is found in technical analysis, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and smash that bell so you get updated every time we come up with new content about investing, about the stock market. And for this video, we're gonna zero in on Jollibee. We're gonna zero in on the massive selling that happened over the past few days and over the past weeks. Where is it headed now? What are the next support levels? So what are you waiting for? If you find value in this channel, subscribe, hit the bell, and stay till the end. So Jollibee from last year, as you all know, Jollibee hit 320 plus last year. It's now at the 170 level. It's almost down half from its highest point from last year. Let's see right now what the charts are telling us. How low could it still go? Are there any signs of reversal? Where are the moving averages plotted? Do we see any signals that even though it's oversold, does it have a shot to actually reverse? We're gonna look at the charts. Comment below if this is something that is helping you. So let's go.
Hey guys, so let's talk about Jollibee. Let's get into the thick of the action. So if you haven't seen my update on the PSEI, this is how the PSEI looks like. So at least you have a grand context about it. You know that the stock is breaking down. You know that the stock is massively bearish. You know that all of the moving averages are being bearish as well. You know that it's breaking down from certain support levels, and you do know that the stock is pretty much oversold. But the heart of the matter is, let's talk about Jollibee. Please do note also that it's not just Jollibee that's down today. It's all of the stocks that you have in the market. Let's look as what I've been saying. AC is down. As you can see that it started to break down with a large red candle. Ali is also down as well, still moving towards its downtrend. Then you have, let's look at the SM group also. SM, same thing, it's still holding at the support level, but you see this large downward movement. Now let's look at Jollibee. Jollibee, as you can see here, the very long and strong downtrend is still pretty much in effect after the breakage of the 200-day moving average last May. It hasn't recovered yet. After it broke this support level at 267, it hasn't recovered yet. And as you can see here, you have resistances that's blocking it from going up around the 217 level. So that being said, we posted here that if it tried to bounce from the 187 level, it would have a shot, it would have a chance to break or attack at least this downtrend line. But the opposite thing happened. Instead of it trying to bounce and go up from the 187 level or 188 level, it did the opposite. As you've seen here, look at this. As you can see here, instead of trying to bounce here and head towards to break this downtrend line or go against the 216 level, it tried to attack the 176, 175 support level, which if you look at this 1, 2, 3, 4 days, it started to break down past it, and now we closed February 28, 2018 at 170 pesos per share. So 3 strong days of selling is what brought the stock down. Jollibee, based on RSI, is back in oversold levels. If I look at MACD is also confirming what RSI is saying. MACD is saying that stock pretty much is bearish still. No reversal patterns, no reversal signals yet are in sight for Jollibee. Even the movement of the lines of MACD is not showing us any change of direction. So Jollibee, from a MACD perspective, there's no change in direction for the short term. Jollibee, from a MACD perspective, no trend reversal yet as of this point in time. It's predominantly bearish. RSI is also confirming that it's oversold. And if I put in all of the moving averages that I normally use, 20-day moving average is bearish, 50 days bearish, 100 days bearish. The 200-day moving average is very far. As you can see, it's over there still, denoting the bearishness of the stock. So from the point here where we saw the downtrend start, April 2019, the stock really hasn't shown us any signs of reversal yet. Now, what do you need to watch out for? The 176 support level was broken. The next possible support level, if you let me zoom out, you will see it's at the 167.8 or 167.9 level. So meaning, for Jollibee to push up, it must hold the 167 level. If the 167 level does not hold, then we have to zoom out further to look at where the next support is. Please remember this. That's how stocks normally go. You look as more breakdowns happen, you look for the lowest portion or the previous portion, because technical analysis is past prices plotted into charts. That being said, since technical analysis is past prices plotted into charts, the next support level, if it does not hold the 167 level, will be here at the 142 level. So a breakdown from the 167 level may be a larger and steeper decline for Jollibee. Please remember that Jollibee has not hit 142 since February 2014. So it's been 6 years already since Jollibee has visited that level. So let's see how it could go. But one thing is for sure, if you've seen the previous videos, this entire massive uptrend that started here in 2012 is also broken. We are now seeing this downward move. So if you will plot a very long trend line here, the trend line that stem from this level is broken already, meaning we are into a new trend for Jollibee as well. If I zoom out even further, the same thing is happening here. So I'll update you on what's gonna happen next should the 167 level not hold, but as of this point in time, the 142 level is the next support level. If 142 does not hold, possible support is 115, and the last time it revisited 115 was in 2013. So the more selling happening to Jollibee, it may cause it to revisit other lower levels for the stock as well. But what we do know as of this point in time, from a quick trading perspective, it's still breaking down. The support that used to protect it all got broken. We now have 167 and 142 as the defenders for it, if there will be buying opportunities in those areas. All moving averages are bearish. Some moving averages are showing signs still of downward pressure with momentum. MACD still bearish. Short, mid, and long-term indicators are showing it's bearish. RSI is also showing that the stock is oversold as well.
So I hope you guys got a lot from all of this. I hope you got strategic areas on where Jollibee is, where it's headed, and where are the support levels. Please do note that regardless of how good the company is, it will always be dictated by price action. It will always be dictated by support and resistance, that if support levels do not hold, sellers are in control, and if sellers are in control, more sellers will always bring the prices down. So as you all know, that's how the market goes. That's how trading will always go. It will always be based on who is winning, buyers or sellers. And as the stock is still massively on a downtrend, as you have more sellers still going out of the stock, it could be we still have to wait until we see more reversal patterns come in. We see more bounces from specific supports, and we see it break out from specific resistances before we have a legitimate reversal for the stock as well. So comment if you're learning, and if you want to know more about all of this that I'm sharing, you want to know the basics of technical analysis, I have courses in the description below where we talk about the basics of the market. It will be March in Manila, April in London, May in Singapore and Doha, Qatar, June in Auckland, New Zealand, July in Sydney, Australia, November in Tokyo and Dubai as well. So if you want to join us from a classroom level type of learning, all of the links are in the description below so you can join us. And for those who want to learn online, we have online courses with Chinkitan. It's a Tagalog stock market course for those who want to join us and learn the basics of the market. We have the courses in the description below, and also we have a course with Sean C. This is for people who want to learn entrepreneurship and investing. It's called Make Money, Grow Money. The details of the online course are down below. These are for people who cannot join us in the classroom type settings where we talk about the market, but this will be online learning. And lastly, for those who want to learn via reading, those who want to consume technical fundamental analysis and the basics of the market via books, I have 5 books called Stock Smarts, Stock Investing Made Easy, Winning Strategies for Investing, Stress-Free Investing, Where Should You Invest, and Breaking the Resistance. All of them are available in Shopee. They're all in the link below. And for those who are not from the Philippines, we also have another link where it can be delivered to where you are in the world as well. So I guess that's it. I hope you guys got enough content from all of this to keep you updated on what's happening on Jollibee. Please remember this. At the end of the day, stocks, no matter how good they are, if subject by supply and demand, when sellers start selling, it will always go down. And when more people start buying, it will always go up. We're at the point in time where sellers are still dominating, especially based on what happened some point last year, and all of the sentiment that's going on based on the coronavirus this year is what's pushing a lot of the stocks down as well. The name of the game is for you to exercise patience until you see specific areas where you're supposed to come in as well. And I hope the whole video gave you specific areas on what you're supposed to do with Jollibee. So this is Marvin Girma. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.